How to join or merge multiple audio files into one. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we will be guiding you on how to join or merge multiple audio files into one. So without any delay, let's just dive right into the video. For that, you need to just open up your Google Play Store and download this application right here, which is called Audiolab. So it is a free application that is easily available on Google Play Store. You can just go ahead and install it. And once it is installed, you can just go ahead and open it up and give access to it. Once you give the access, you'll be finding this interface on the screen. And along with it, you'll be finding different options, which is, and the one we are looking for is called Merge Audio, this one right here. From here, what you need to do is simply go ahead and select up the audios that you want to merge. So for example, these one right here, you can just go ahead and select it. And up to how much audio you want. After that, go ahead and click on this right mark and go ahead and click on this merge icon, and you'll be finding these options like your audio name. You can just go ahead and edit it out. After that, you have this option called use fill merging as well, so you can go ahead and enable this option if it did not merge properly in the first attempt. And we have this fade in and fade out and silence between the audio and different options. Once you've set up the settings, you can just go ahead and tap on this merge, and it may take about a minute or two for the audio to be merged. And there you go. That is how you find up your join or merge multiple audios into one. You can just go ahead and play this if you want. So therefore, you can also follow the same method in order to merge your audio in your device as well. So I hope this video was helpful to you, and thank you for watching this video.